mensen, ik hoop dat het goed met jullie gaat. Vandaag ga ik een video doen over een pruik opzetten. Hi people, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be installing this ginger hair, my very first orange ginger hair, which I'm already loving the color. I do it. On an efficient way by the terms of slay but not slay. I'm not really a good hair slayer, but the way I do it is good for me. So I hope I can teach those ones who can't do it at all one or two things, or just enjoy watching this video and, you know, enjoy watching me slay this wig. I'm going to be using this wig cap for my orange wig, the blend or melt method. First of all, as I put on the wig cap, I'm going to be putting on some hair mousse and make sure that I get in all the perimeters of my forehead. I'll pull my wig cap over my head and smear the mousse over my baby hair. Make sure I get every corner, especially on the ear side, where I will be pulling my wig cap over. I'll then put my wig cap over the smeared area of the mousse, over my ears and the naps of my back. With a styling comb, I will press the mousse through it. With this yellow got2b glue of the white product in it, I will place some on my baby hairs and use the small steel comb to press the wig cap close to my forehead, and I'll make sure I'll concentrate very well on the area so as my ear, so that the wig will blend really well. After waiting about 5 minutes for the gel to dry up on my forehead, I'll proceed to cut a little hole onto the onto the wig net so that I can pull my ear. Be careful while doing this. You don't want to cut off a bit of your ear. And no, I don't want that for you. So please be careful. I'll then use the got2b glue gel of the white one I just used close to my ears so that my wig will stay melted and natural. On a very low stand, the coolest stand of my hair dryer, I will dry the naps and the side of the got2b glue gel that I just smeared on, so that the wig cap will be kept secure on my forehead. And with the got2b glue holding spray, I will use it together with the hair dryer to concentrate on my ear side, so the wig stays attached to the ear side where it will look very natural. With my makeup foundation of my skin color, I will blend the gel residue to my wig cap, giving it an illusion that it's a skull or a scalp. After blending all this together and the cap drying on my forehead, I will cut just the part of the wig cap that is not sticking on my forehead off. I'll do this as careful as possible so not to cut my own skin, and make sure that there is very little hair wig nets on my forehead. With an alcohol, I will clean the residue of the got2b glue and hairspray while drying the wig cap so it does not come off. After cutting the lace of the wig, I will put it on what I love so much about this wig is that it's big head friendly, even though I have a small head. With the Got to Be Glue transparent, I will smear it on the sides of the wig cap where I just cut it off. Now concentrate very much on the ear, so this method becomes a true blend method. With my hair dryer on a low temp, I will dry the gel off. I apologize for my language. English isn't my first tongue. And then I'll pull it all the way as close to the edge of the hair net as so. And I'll grab on the sides of the wig and hold it to my forehead for like a few seconds. That's how I do it. And press it with this side or the edge of this comb so it sticks really well. With some hair mousse, I will smear it over my forehead so everything blends really, really well. Hi, husband. I will be binding my hair with these stockings, and I'll put my head back with the comb and bind my forehead and the wig all together so that it melts really well. Gives the illusion that the hair is growing out of my scalp. I went ahead cooking, doing my chores. So it took me about like 30 minutes keeping it this way. 30 to 45 minutes later, I took the band off and proceeded to style the wig. I was really pleased with how the lace fronts was blended to my forehead. That's exactly what I was going for. I used some mousse to try to put an effort in my baby hair, which I'm also practicing, and I've been practicing for a very long time. Styling this wig is pretty easy, and my favorite part, I just mixed some water and mousse and voila, you're good to go. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you learned 2 or 3, or you just enjoyed my voice and how I styled my wig. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Share would be really awesome. I really enjoy doing this wig. I love ginger colored hair on brown skin girls. It looks always so awesome. Anyway, love, peace, and coconut water.